How to get refund on Nintendo Switch eShop. For this, go ahead and open up a browser and search for Nintendo Switch Help. From here, you have to go ahead and tap on Nintendo Support, that would be your second option, and wait for it to load. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Refund and give it a search again. With the suggested articles, you have to go ahead and tap on the first option, that is Refund Request. So go ahead and tap on it. So right here, you can give a read to this article or just scroll down to the very bottom until you see the option of Contact Us and just go ahead and tap on it. Select a region. Now, if you were contacting the customer support between the time of 6 AM to 7 PM, you would be able to live chat with a chat agent, text message, or even phone support. So however, as we have missed the opportunity for now, you can even go ahead and submit a help ticket right here in this dialog box. Once you do this, the agent or the team of Nintendo will get back to you with a solution. And that is how you can easily get refund on Nintendo Switch. Hopefully you found this video informative to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.